Most important question of AP, arithmetic progression. Let us see the question. Here question is give three terms of the sequence defined by n equal to n by n square plus 1. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? We have to find, give three terms. So we have to find first three terms. So just put n equal to 1, n equal to 2 and n equal to 3. So here sequence is given n equal to n upon n square plus 1. We need three terms of sequence. So first term of sequence is what? N equal to 1. So it is what? 1 by 1 square plus 1, that is 1 by 2. Similarly, second term of the sequence. So put n equal to 2. So this is 2 and this is 2 square plus 1. So we'll get what? 2 upon 5. In the similarly, we need three terms of the sequence, third term. So just put n equal to 3, we will get 3 upon 3 square plus 1. That is 3 upon 10. These are our three terms. First term, second term and third term of the sequence. See the question. Here question is so that the sequence an defined by n equal to 4n plus 5 is an AP. Also find the common difference. So you know what is the AP? AP is what? When an plus 1 minus an equal to constant, then function an will be in AP, right? When an plus 1 minus an equal to constant, then an will be in AP. So first we will check an plus 1 minus an equal to what? So an plus 1, just put n equal to n plus 1. So we'll get what? 4 into n plus 1 plus 5 and minus an. An means what? That is 4n plus 5 simply. Now we can write 4n plus 4 plus 5 minus 4n minus 5. So here this 4n positive, this minus cancel out, this 5 cancel. So we get what? 4. 4 is what? Constant term. An plus 1 minus an equal to 4 and this is what? Constant term. So an is AP. So an is in AP. So any function in which last term minus first, that is second term minus first term, third term minus second term is constant, that is called AP, and that constant is called what? Common difference. So here constant is 4, so common difference equal to what? 4. So we can write common difference. So this is common difference equal to D, and this is what? 4. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Here question is so that the sequence defined by n equal to 2n square plus 1 is not an AP. So every time remember for an AP, always an plus 1 minus an equal to what? That is constant, right? So we will find an plus 1 minus an equal to what? So here an is given, so just put n equal to n plus 1. So 2 into n plus 1 whole square plus 1 and minus an is already given, that is 2n square plus 1. So now we can write 2 into n square plus 2n plus 1 and this is plus 1 minus 2n square and this is what? Minus 1. So we can write 2n square plus 4n plus 2 plus 1 minus 2n square minus 1. So this 2n square cancel out, this one cancel out. So we are getting what? 4n plus 2. And this is not constant term, this is depend on n. So it is not in AP. So it is not an AP. So if an plus 1 minus an is not constant term, it is not in AP.